I want to tell you why I'm doing this. It was past midnight, the whole house was asleep, and I was sitting alone in my office ready to quit. You see, I'm not a tech guy. I need you to know that. I don't write code, I can barely keep my passwords straight. But 2 weeks earlier, I'd started trying to learn AI for real, and it has swallowed my life. Up past midnight every night, away from my family. I spent money I didn't have. I bought 3 computers, 3. And that night, a voice in my head said, just walk away. Nobody would blame you. I almost did. But I told myself one thing, one more day. And the next day, it clicked. I'd been trying to play an instrument I was never going to play. And the whole time, I was actually the conductor. A conductor can't play the violin, and it doesn't matter. He just has to know what the music should sound like. That's the job. I'm not technical, and I never got technical. I just learned to lead the thing instead of build it, and it changed my life. I got my evenings back, my sanity back, my goals are in reach when before they seemed impossible. So if you've ever felt like AI is for other people and not you, I wrote a whole book about that night and the moves that got me out. It's called The Conductor. And I'm going to teach you every one of those moves right here, one at a time. You don't have to be an engineer. You just have to pick up the baton.